For more than a century, excellence has been our standard. In Wimpassing, Austria, HARPS continues a tradition of European craftsmanship that began in 1920, refined by generations of expertise and strengthened through ongoing technological improvements. HARPS maintains full control of the entire process, from product design and material sourcing to production, packaging, and delivery, ensuring consistency, safety, and reliability at every stage. Our extensive surgical glove portfolio meets all relevant medical device standards and norms, delivering the protection and performance surgeons rely on. At HARPS Wimpassing, tradition and innovation work together so that clinicians can focus on what matters most: patient care. HARPS Global, engineered in Europe, trusted in operating rooms,